Today, I'll show you how to log out of your Agoda account. This will be a quick, straightforward walkthrough, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap or click, whether you're on your phone or using a computer. First, make sure you're already signed into your Agoda account. If you're seeing your bookings, saved places, or your name or profile icon at the top of the screen, that means you're logged in and ready to go. If you're not logged in, you won't see the sign out option, so double check that you're actually inside your account before you continue. Start by opening Agoda. You can do this either by launching the Agoda app on your mobile device or by going to the Agoda website in your browser. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see options like searching for stays or checking your bookings. Next, you'll want to go to your profile or account section. This is where Agoda keeps all of your personal settings and account options, including the sign out button. On the mobile app, look towards the bottom or top of the screen for an icon that looks like a person or a profile picture. It may also say something like account or profile next to it. On a computer, this is usually found at the top right corner of the page, again as either your name, a profile picture, or a small person-shaped icon. Go ahead and tap or click on that profile or account area. When you do, a new tab, menu, or panel will open. This is your account hub where you might see options like your bookings, payment methods, saved properties, and various settings. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different depending on your device or if Agoda has updated its design. The basic idea is the same. You're looking for the section that gives you account-related actions. Now, in this tab or menu, look carefully for the option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. It's often placed near the bottom of the list since it's something you use less frequently than other features. Take a moment to scroll if you don't see it right away. Remember, you're not changing any settings here, just preparing to leave your account safely. Once you've found the sign out option, click or tap it. In some cases, Agoda may sign you out immediately. In others, you might see a quick confirmation asking if you're sure you want to log out. If that appears, just confirm and your account will be signed out. After signing out, you should be returned to the main Agoda screen, but this time you'll see options to sign in or create an account instead of seeing your profile details. That's your confirmation that you've successfully logged out. It's a good habit to log out of your Agoda account, especially if you're using a shared or public device. This helps keep your personal information, payment details, and travel plans secure. And that's all there is to it. Open Agoda while logged in, go to your profile or account, let the tab or menu open, and then click Sign Out.